Yes, good afternoon guys to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. So guys, this is one more session for BARC. As you know that we are going for the series where we are doing the practice questions for BARC. So guys, in this series, in this session, we are going to have the questions from strength of material, machine design and production. And guys, I would like to tell you that on Saturday and Sunday, I am coming with the mini mock test. What is mini mock test? In mini mock test, you will see the questions from all the subjects. Okay. Yes, it is not going to have 100 questions. The number of questions will be less. That's why I am saying mini. But all the subjects will be covered. Okay. So all subjects will be covered in this. And the number of questions we would be having less than 100 for sure, as it is mini mock test. And then on 14th March, just 2 days before your exam, we are going to have the full mock test. Okay. So we will be having the full mock test, guys. Is it clear for everyone? So we will be having the full mock test. So be ready for all these things. We are coming up for this. These are my areas of expertise. And this is my Telegram channel link, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you can join to get the PDF of this session and all others like notifications and everything. Also, you can get handwritten notes and assignments, previous year's question, everything you will be getting there. Okay. So please tell me, guys, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Let me check. Yes, everybody, please tell me, am I properly audible and visible? Then we are starting. Guys. Let me check. Yes, I feel voice is coming. Fine, guys. So now we are starting. So guys, this is the workshop today, 6th March, Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. will be taken by me only. And in this workshop, I will be telling you the step-by-step guidance to ace GATE 25 in first attempt. If you are your younger brother or any junior who is looking to start preparation, you can recommend this workshop to him. And if you are looking for GATE 25 preparation, there is a scholarship test where you can get up to 90% off on GATE preparation program. That will be on 10th of March. This will be the time for that. So we are starting the session, guys, now without wasting the time. This is the very first question we are having. So guys, in this session, I will be solving 25 questions in front of you related to 3 subjects. Okay, so 25 questions will be there. This is the very first question. Given E as the Young's modulus of elasticity of a material, what can be the minimum value of its bulk modulus? So guys, these are the options. Try to solve it. I will give you the hint, the relation. E is equals to 3K, 1 minus 2 mu. You know this is the relation. You know that mu minimum value is 0 and mu maximum value is 0.5. So when you will be putting the minimum value of mu, that is going to be 0, you will be getting K is equals to E by 3. And when you will be going for the maximum value of mu, you will be getting K is going to be infinity. So what is the minimum value of K? It is varying from E by 3 to infinity. So the minimum value is going to be B, that is E by 3. So for first answer will be B. Moving further to the next question. Very good, Rohan, bahut badhiya. Moving to the second question, guys. This is the second question. So this is the second question. Second question is having a cylindrical bar of 20 mm diameter and 1 meter length is subjected to a tensile test. You know tensile test means uniaxial tensile loading. Its longitudinal strain is 4 times that of its lateral strain. So longitudinal strain is 4 times lateral strain. With the help of this relation, you can find out the value of Poisson ratio. And once you know the Poisson ratio, you need to find out modulus of rigidity. You know the relation. E is 2G into 1 plus mu. So you know E, you will be knowing mu, you can find out the value of G. Can you try this? Very good, Ajay. So this is 10 की power 5. Okay, this is like that. So tell me what would be the answer for this, guys. Tell me what would be the answer for this. Ajay, Rohan, please try to solve it. So we will be solving total 25 questions, guys. So you know, every day we are coming up with one session on BARC so that your practice can be done very nicely. Okay. On Saturday, Sunday, we are going to meet for the mini mock test where we will be covering all the subjects. Okay, all the subjects. So in that, I may be having 40 questions which will be covering all the subjects. Okay, so that is going to be a mini mock test. Be ready on Saturday also, Sunday also. Okay. Okay, so Rohan is saying the answer to be D for this. And I would like to say yes. Ajay, would you like to give answer? I am waiting. Very good, Rohan. So whatever Rohan is saying, the answer is correct only. D is correct. So first of all, you can write what is the value of Poisson ratio. Poisson ratio is defined as epsilon lateral upon epsilon longitudinal. That is going to be 1/4. Okay, longitudinal is 4 times lateral. So Poisson ratio is 0.25. Just need to put this value. G will be E by 2 into 1 plus mu. It will be coming out to be 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. D would be the right answer. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3, guys. A steel wire, okay, E is 200 GPa, is extended, okay, of sectional area. This is to be extended to twice its initial length. So what they are saying is final length is 2 times its initial length. It means delta L is equals to L. They are giving you this. And you need to find out what the value of force. You know that delta is PL upon AE. So you can see delta and L are given equal and you need to find out the value of P. Try to find out. Okay. 20 meganewton, 5, 50 or 2. Try to solve it. Everybody, please try to solve it. Please try to solve it. Everybody. Yes. Arey bhai, delta and L will get cancel out with each other. They are equal. What will be P? P will be coming out to be A into E. You know area is given 10 into 10 ki power minus 5 meter square. Young's modulus is 200. 200 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square because it is gigapascal. So you will be getting the answer. Very good. Rohan is saying answer is A. A is correct. You will be getting 20 meganewton. Okay. So this is how the questions are being framed in BARC type of exam. So clearing the written exam in BARC is not a very big challenge. In BARC, the challenge is interview. Those who are already preparing for GATE 25, you can join this series, Ground Zero series, going on at 4:30 p.m. Okay, where we are going to cover the basic fundamental concepts of all the subjects one by one. Moving to next question, question number 4. Total we have 25 questions in this session. This is question number 4. A round bar made of same material consists of 3 parts, each of 100 mm length. Length and E are same. Diameters are 40 mm, 50 mm, 60 mm respectively. If the bar is subjected to an axial load of 10 kN, the total elongation of the bar. This is the question of bars in series. Okay, so you need to see everybody would be aware that delta total is going to be delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3. Okay, and you know we can write it as P1, L1, A1, E1, P2, L2, A2, E2, P3, L3, A3, E3. And as per the question 40, 50 and 60, okay, they are saying this 40, 50 and 60. So there are 3 bars like this, and they are subjected to a single load P. So if you will go for method of section, in every bar force is going to be same. So we can take P as common, L as common, E as common, same. So it will become 1 upon A1 plus 1 upon A2 plus 1 upon A3. Now you have to solve it and get the answer. Okay? Try to solve it now. Everybody. This is question number 4. We are still left with 21 questions. Total 25 questions will be solved. Yes, everybody. Try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it. So are you guys ready for Saturday, Sunday mini mock test? 40 questions, all subjects. And 14th of March, full length test. All faculties will be there. 100 questions. 4 faculties, complete mechanical team. 100 questions will be in front of you. So guys, what would be the answer? Okay, Rohan is saying the answer to be D. Yes. Anybody else? But I would like to say, Rohan, that you have done it nicely. Answer is correct. Why it is coming? Because area is pi by 4 d square. So that pi will be coming outside. Okay. So if you will be solving this, what you will be getting? I am showing you that. Yes, Ajay, are you doing it or not? So P is 10 kilonewton, 10 into 10 to the power 3 kilonewton. Then they are saying length is 100 mm. So into 100, okay, divided by, you know, Young's modulus is given as, okay, in kilo, okay, that you need not to solve. This is given E as it is. And as it is also kilonewton, so this 10 to the power 3 is not required. Area will be giving pi by 4 outside. Okay. Now, you will be having 1 by d1 square, 1 by d2 square, 1 by d3 square. So 1 by 16 plus 1 by 25 plus 1 by 36. Okay. And as you can see, there are 50, 60. So 100 will be coming outside. So the answer will be coming out to be 40 by pi e, and this one. D is the right answer. Okay, very good guys, very good. So moving further to the question number 5. This is a very good question, conceptual question, and you may get this type of question directly in BARC type of exam. This is a conceptual question, and this is a wonderful one. Let us see how many of you can answer it. Two identical circular rods of same diameter, same length, you can see same diameter, same length, are subjected to same load. One of these rod is made up of mild steel, other is made up of you can see cast iron, and Young's modulus is given for both. Assume both the materials to be homogeneous and isotropic. The axial force causes the same amount of uniform stress in both the rods. Stress is also given same. Then the stress developed are within the proportional limit. It means Hooke's law is valid. Then they are saying which of the following observation is correct. Very good question. Let us see how many of you are capable of answering this. Even this question I have done in my classrooms all the time. Yes, what would be the answer guys for this? What would be the answer guys for this? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Question number 5 it is. Okay, I Rolex is saying the answer to be C. What about others? What about others? I Rolex is saying the answer to be C. What about others? According to I Rolex, cast iron rod elongates more than the mild steel rod. Okay, Ajay is also saying C, and I would like to say C is the correct answer, because you know delta is equals to PL upon AE. When Hooke's law is valid, this is applicable. Okay, up to elastic limit we can find out elongation with this formula, and you know that delta is inversely proportional to E. So if E is more, delta will be less. So that's why you can see E for cast iron is 100 GPa and E for mild steel is 206. So that is why the answer will be coming out to be C. Here you can also remember, whenever you are making the diagram, for mild steel it is coming like this. For cast iron, when you are going to find out, it is coming like this. Why it is coming like this? Because the slope of cast iron is less, for mild steel is more. Okay, so when this is coming, you can see the elastic region. Elastic region for mild steel is this much, but for cast iron is this much. So elastic region for cast iron is more. That's why for the same stress you will get more elongation in cast iron. Okay, that is the reason. Is it clear? Yes. Very good. So moving to question number 6, guys. A hollow circular shaft has an outer diameter of 100 mm, wall thickness of 25 mm. The allowable shear stress in the shaft is 125. The maximum torque will be. So you can see they have given about the cross section. Outer diameter is 100. And as wall thickness is given, it means inner diameter will be 50. Then only thickness can be 25. Okay, so you are aware that tau max is 16T by pi d naught cube 1 minus K4. K is di by d naught. You need to find out the value of T. Solve it. Everybody solve it, guys. So this is question number 6. Question number 6 it is. Okay, so guys, don't forget, this Saturday, Sunday is going to help you a lot. Saturday, Sunday, we are meeting at 11:30 AM. For what? For mini mock test. In mini mock test, we will be having 40 questions, all subjects. This is going to be for BARC on this Saturday, Sunday. And 14th of March, we are meeting for complete 100 question full length test. Don't miss that. Okay, I Rolex is saying C would be the answer for this. What about others? What about others? Yes, Rohan, Ajay, please solve it. I Rolex have given the answer. Very good, Ajay. Answer is correct. You will be getting 23. You can see, just you need to put the values and you guys will be getting the answer. T as 23 kilonewton meter. Okay. Question number 7, guys. Have you noticed that whenever I am coming up with the mock test and if I am keeping SOM as subject, if you see, I am having more questions from SOM. Sundaram answer will be C, not B. This is the next question. Okay, are you saying about this? So I would like to tell you one thing, guys. When we are talking about this strength of material, actually fundamental subjects are coming more in the BARC examination. So you will find strength of material, fluid mechanics, engineering mechanics, thermodynamics with more weightage. And you will find machine design with less weightage. You will find RAC, IC engine power plant with less weightage. Okay. Sundaram, are you talking about this question? The reaction at the fixed end of the following cantilever subjected to the distributed force. This is the force acting. And they are talking about the reactions. So I feel everybody know that. Because of this loading, there will be a vertical reaction. There will be a moment reaction. but there is no horizontal force, so no, there is no horizontal reaction. Yes, yes, yes. So Ajay and Sundaram have given the answer for this to be B, which is the correct answer. You know that this reaction will be equals to area of this triangle, because vertical force is that only. So it is half into 100 into 1. So answer is 50. So you can see this is in option. Okay. And next you can find out the bending moment. For that you can take the resultant of this triangle acting at its centroid. So this is going to be the area, that is 50, and acting at a distance of what? A distance of 1 plus 2 by 3. So it is 5 by 3. So you will be having 250 by 3. Answer is B for this. Very good, guys. Moving to question number 8. Okay, post-gate series is already completed on, you can see on the app, and you can see the cutoffs of all the IITs, all the NITs, which is already covered on the Byjus exam prep app. For that you need to download the app. Yes, guys. Solve it. This is shear stresses in the beams. They are saying that select the correct shear stress distribution for a square beam with diagonal, horizontal and vertical. What is the correct answer? Ajay is saying D. What about others? Ajay is saying D. What about others? Yes, the answer is correct, guys. Rohan, why you are not answering? Answer is correct. This is going to be the answer. You can see this is looking like a triangle. Okay, this is also looking like a triangle. But here width is there. That is why when you will be making, the distribution is coming like this. So this is the shear stress distribution. Okay, D is the right answer. Very good. 10 gem 13. Wonderful. So guys, moving to question number 9. Principal stresses. Total 25 questions, out of which 10 questions I have kept from SOM, then machine design, then production. Okay. And guys, Saturday, Sunday, 40 questions, mini mock test, all subjects. 14th March, full length test. 100 questions. Entire mechanical team will be in front of you. So here the question is, the state of stress at a point in a loaded member is shown in the figure. The magnitude of maximum shear stress. Yes. Ajay, Tenjam, Sundaram, Rohan, Irolex. Everybody can answer this. You know that the formula for tau max is, that is sigma xx minus sigma yy by 2 ka whole square plus tau xy ka whole square. You need to answer this. Solve it and get the answer, guys. Solve it and get the answer, guys. Yes. Very good, Shubham, Ajay, Rohan, Irolex. The answer is 50 MPa. Just put the value. You can see here sigma xx is minus 40, sigma yy is plus 40, and tau xy is 30. So when you will be putting the value, you will be getting the answer. Okay. Very good. Moving to, okay, this question. For a circular column having its ends hinged, the slenderness ratio is 160. The L by D ratio of the column is, okay, the L by D ratio of the column is. So you need to find out the L by D ratio. First of all, they are saying for a circular column, both ends are hinged, not fixed, they are hinged. Both ends are hinged. This is a column, circular. Okay. So this is the column. And they are saying that slenderness ratio, which is LE by K. So you know, for this case, LE and L are equal. You know what is radius of gyration? I minimum upon A. So once you will get the value of K, that is radius of gyration. Solve it. What is radius of gyration? I by A. And for, you can see, what is I when you are talking about K? I is for circular pi by 64 d ki power 4. Area is pi by 4 d square. So from here you would be getting K in terms of d. Okay, slenderness ratio is already known to us. You can find out L by d. So you will be getting this pi cancel out, 4 will cancel out, you will be getting d by 4. So slenderness ratio is L upon d by 4. It is given as 160. You need to find out L by d. Very easy question. Okay, students, some of you have given the answer, I feel so. What would be the answer for this? Very simple, yaar, very simple. Arey bhai, for this condition, LE and L are equal. Yes, very good, Rohan. So answer is 40 for this. They are asking you what is the ratio of length to the diameter. Slenderness ratio is given to you. So the answer will be coming out to be 40. Is there any problem? Is there any doubt in this question to anyone? Please do ask me. Shubham, iRolex, Tension, anybody have any doubt? Sundaram. Clear? Shall we move on? Okay, answer will be C for this. Moving further, guys. Question number 12, guys. Question number 12, guys. So this question is saying a shaft is subjected to maximum bending moment of, they are saying bending moment, this is bending stress actually, and maximum shear stress is this. So there is a shaft which is subjected to some bending moment and some twisting moment, because of which bending stress and shear stresses are given if the yield point is this and maximum shear stress theory is used. So this is the loading condition. This is bending stress, shear stress. This is from machine design, theory of failure. This is the loading condition. You have to use MSST and find out factor of safety. Yes, very good question, guys. Do solve it. I will give you the hint. First of all, find out principal stresses. Sigma xx plus yy by 2 plus minus xx minus yy by 2 का square plus tau xy का square. This will give you the value of principal stresses sigma 1 and sigma 2. Now you know, you will find out principal stresses. You need to see whether they are of same nature or opposite nature. Okay, you need to check whether they are of same nature or opposite nature. If they are of same nature, then MSST is sigma 1 or sigma 2 is less than equals to SYT divided by factor of safety. If they are of opposite nature, then sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is less than equals to SYT by N. These are the two statements of MSST. Solve it and get the answer. Question number 12, we are still left with 13 more questions. Bending stress है भाई, bending stress. Actually, you can see the units, 80 Newton per mm square. So this is stress only. Rohan have given the answer as factor of safety to be 2. I am waiting for others to answer. Then I will disclose the answer. Wonderful, guys. Answer is correct. Answer is correct. So can you tell me what you are getting as principal stresses? What values you are getting for principal stresses? (200 and 100). Both are of same nature. Both are of same nature. 200 and 100. Are you saying it's correct only? 200 and 100. Is it coming 200 and 100? Please tell me that. I have to put the values in that case. What is sigma xx? Sigma xx is 80. So 80 by 2 plus minus 80 by 2 का square plus 30 का square. 80 by 2 is 40 plus minus 50. So I would be getting 90 and 80. Okay, sorry, 90 and minus 10. So they are of opposite nature. Okay, so they are of opposite nature. 90 and minus 10. So 90 minus of minus 10 by 2. Sorry, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 less than equals to SYT divided by factor of safety, and is coming out to be 2. Answer will be B for this. Moving to question number 13, guys. Do like and share the session, guys. You can see this is a question from welded joint. Machine design questions are going on. This is a question on welded joint. I will definitely give you the hint. Yes, solve it, guys. So what is this? You can see P will be 0.707 TL tau permissible. Okay? Yes. So you need to find out the value of force. 0.707. Thickness is given as 12.5. You can see they have mentioned it. A plate of 100 mm. So this length is 100. Let us say this is L1. This is L2. Sorry, this is also L1. So they have given you everything. Double parallel fillet they are saying. Okay. So this 100 is known to us. What is the length of each parallel fillet? Yes, I feel here the value of force is missing. I feel here the value of force is missing. Okay, so I feel we need to leave this question because force value is not mentioned. It is misprinted, I feel so. Okay, so do I have written in my solution? It was given in the question, but I feel it should be somewhere 87.5 kilonewton. Force is 87.5 kilonewton. For that, just try what you are getting. This is given actually. Okay, I feel there is some problem in this question because this data is missing. So leave that question, moving to the next question. So guys, if you want to get a call from our counselor, one-to-one counseling, this is the number for that, and you can also fill the form given in the description. And if you have already made your mind to prepare for GATE 25 or 26, our vision batches are going on, where we are going for live classes, more than 1000 hours, practice quizzes after every lecture. Recorded lectures are separately also available if you want to go for your own subject. Study material in the soft copy format plus mock test. Moving further, guys. Next question. This question is for a parallel load on a fillet weld, equal legs. The plane of maximum shear happens at. This question you can get definitely in BARC exam. This question is a wonderful question for BARC. They are asking you where you will be getting the maximum stress to happen. Okay, they are asking maximum shear will happen. So if you remember, for parallel also there is some angle, for transverse also there is some angle. Try to solve it. Try to tell me the answer. Let us see how many of you remember the right answer for this. Everybody, we are still have 11 more questions with us. Not 11, 12 more questions with us. Ajay is saying A, Rohan is saying A. So dear, I would like to say both of you are wrong. For parallel fillet, the angle is 45 degree. And for transverse fillet, it is 67.5. Do remember this. They can ask you this. Okay. So whenever we are talking about parallel and transverse fillet, these are the angles at which you will be getting the plane of maximum stresses. Okay. 45 degree for parallel, 67.5 degree for transverse. Okay. Yes. In the classes, I used to tell you that all. No, Rohan, it is 45 degree. Next question. A single clutch operating under dry sliding condition transmits, torque is given 150 Newton meter. The average coefficient of friction is 0.3. Pressure is, this is maximum pressure given. The ratio between the outer side radius and inner side radius is 1.73. Under uniform wear condition, if the outer radius of the clutch is to be minimum, the inside radius will have to be. So you need to tell about the inside radius. I am telling you the formula when you are talking about the maximum pressure. It is coming when we are having W by 2 pi Ri. R naught minus Ri. This is the formula for maximum pressure. Okay. And when we are talking about the frictional torque, it is 1 by 2 mu W R naught plus Ri. Okay. Maximum pressure is known to us. First of all, try to find out the W in terms of this. Put it here and you will be getting frictional torque is given to us. You will be getting the value of Ri. Try to solve it. This is a calculative question. Okay. You need to find out Ri value. So first find out W value from here. P maximum is known to us. Put that W value here. Torque is known to us. You will get the value of Ri very easily. So machine design questions are generally calculative, whether it is GATE or any exam. So I already reminded you that we are going to have the mini mock test, full length test, है ना? Saturday, Sunday mini mock test, 14th March full length test. Be ready for that. Yes, everybody. Yes, everybody. So guys, when you will be solving this, okay, so first of all you will be getting the W value as 2 pi. What is Ri? Then R naught is 1.73 Ri minus Ri into maximum pressure is 0.5. When you will put the value, Ri will be coming out to be 54.3 mm. C would be the right answer for this. Very good, Rohan. You have answered it nicely. Very good. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 16. This is from bearings. A ball bearing is characterized by basic static capacity as 11,000 Newton. Dynamic capacity as 18,000 Newton. The bearing is subjected to equivalent static load of 5,500. The bearing loading ratio. First of all, there is a term loading ratio. I would like to tell you loading ratio is defined as dynamic load carrying capacity divided by load, equivalent radial load. And when we are talking about life, it is C dynamic by equivalent radial load to the power cube. These two things you need to answer it. Yes, this is machine design question, and after that we are going to enter into material science and production. So we are having almost 10 more questions, because one question was having wrong statement, that's why. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Very easy, very easy. Dynamic load carrying capacity is 18,000. Load is 5,500. Just you need to get the ratio and get the answer. Machine design. Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. Yes, everybody. Very good, Ajay. B is correct answer. When you will go for C dynamic, what is that? 18,000 divided by 5,500. You will be getting 3.27. And 3.27 cube will give you 35. Answer will be B. B is correct. B is correct answer, guys. Okay? B is correct answer. Arey bhai, dynamic is this. This is static. So dynamic by equivalent load is loading ratio. Question number 17, guys. Material science now. 2 questions from material science, then rest of production. So total 10 questions. So I have taken 10 questions from SOM, 10 questions from production, and 5 questions from machine design. This was today's session. SOM MD questions are over. Now we are having 10 questions of production and material science. So guys, what is the planar density of 100 plane in FCC? So first of all, you should be aware that if this is a cubic unit cell, this, okay, this is axis, X, Y, Z. So you should be aware that when in the Miller indices we have single 1 and 2 0, the plane will be coming with area A square. So this is the plane about which we are talking about. In face center you are having a face center atom like this, and you will be having 4 corner atoms like this. You need to find out the density at this plane. Very easy to calculate. We have done it many times in the classes. I Rolex. Are you talking about this question? B is correct answer. You can see this atom is completely occupied. This atom have 1/4 part, 1/4 part, 1/4 part, 1/4 part. So when you will find out the average number of atoms, it is 1 plus 1 by 4 into 4. It is 2. Planar density is defined as average number of atoms whose centers are intercepted divided by area. Answer will be 2 by A square. B is correct. Very good. Moving to the 18th question. A unit cell is shown in the figure, the Miller indices of the direction. You need to write the Miller indices of this direction. I know material science many students are not good at. So this is x-axis given. Just you assume that this is origin. Assume this is origin and write the coordinate of this point. When you will be writing the coordinate, in the x-axis you are having the coordinate as 1 by 2. In the y-axis the coordinate is 1. Z-axis coordinate is 0. Now just rationalize it. you will be getting 1, 2, 0. So I am telling you, this is a previous year question of engineering services where none of the option was correct. That's why intentionally I am telling you. Sometime you can get this type of thing also. Okay. So in that case, if you see 201 is there, 021 is there, 210 is there, 012 is there. But when you will be rationalize it, the problem here was they have considered axis as wrongly. If you will consider x-axis here, then you will be getting the right answer, which is generally we are taking. So if this is x, this is y, this is z, then you would be getting the right answer, and then you will be getting the answer as C. Okay. So this is the PYQ of engineering services. I intentionally have taken because once this type of question have been there in BARC as well. That's why. Okay. Yes. Very good, Rohan. So moving further, question number 19. Casting question, guys. Casting question. So why I have taken if this was wrong? Because I want to tell you how to solve this type of question. In BARC, obviously when it will be coming, it will be correct only. So I did not change the statement. That is the point. I wanted to tell you how to solve this. Because this type of question have been there in one of the previous years. That's why I have taken this. Question number 19. Keeping the surface area constant if the volume of the casting is doubled by changing its design, the solidification time is expected to increase by a factor. Solidification time is directly proportional to volume by surface area ka square. Cherepov's law. Apply and get the answer. Cherepov's law. Apply and get the answer, guys. This is casting question. After that we have metal forming, metal cutting. Okay, Rohan is saying C is the answer. Yes, Ajay, iRolex. Very good. C is the correct answer. Okay, surface area constant, volume becoming double. Solidification time will become 4 times. Question number 20, ring rolling. Ring rolling is used to decrease the thickness, increase the diameter. To increase the thickness of a ring, for producing a seamless tube, for producing a large cylinder. Yes, Ashray, very good. So Ashray, how was the GATE exam? Was it good? Ring rolling. So in ring rolling we are having a hollow structure like this, and rollers are there like this. So they are going to compress. So they are decreasing the thickness, and they try, like this is fixed. So when it will be applying pressure, it will try to extend the diameter like this. Okay. So answer is to decrease the thickness, increase the diameter. A is the right answer. Very good, guys. Question number 21. A strip is to be rolled from a thickness of 30 mm to 15 mm using 2 high rolling wheel rolls of diameter 300 mm. The coefficient of friction, delta H max, mu square R. Solve it. I have for you how many questions more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more questions after this. Very good, Sundaram. Yes, everybody. Mu square R. You will be having 15. Mu square. Diameter is 300 mm. 150. Mu will be. Moving to question number 22, guys. Production questions are going on. They are saying that a 25 mm hole, this is hole, is pierced in a thickness of 2.5 mm. shear strength is 350 MPa. The diametral clearance is given. 0.00641 into thickness into tau ultimate. So you can find out diameter clearance from this. Okay. Once you will be getting the diameter clearance, 25 mm hole. So hole size is punch size. So punch size is known to us. Die size, punch size plus diameter clearance. And force is pi dt into tau ultimate. Solve it and get the answer, guys. Okay, in the previous case you are getting 0.31, but then also the answer will be this only. All other options are far away. Solve this. Punch size, die size and force. Put the thickness, put the tau ultimate, get the diametral clearance. This is diametral clearance. Solve it, guys. 5 more questions after this. Sorry, 4 more questions after this. Rolex, always remember die size is bigger than the punch size. Okay, the point is if punching operation is there, then we are aware of punch size. So to get die size, we write punch size plus 2 times of radial clearance. If the operation is blanking, then blank size is known to us. Blank size is die size. Then we find out punch size as die size minus 2 times of radial clearance. Formula is one only. Only the way of use is different. Formula is one. Die size is always bigger. Okay. So the answer for this, guys, yes. First of all, you need to understand one thing, guys, in this question. First of all, they are asking what? The die diameter, the punch force respectively. Okay, they are asking is given by the expression this. So they are talking about 3 things. Okay, so they are talking about, first of all, hole size is given to us. If the diameter clearance is given by the expression this, the die diameter, the punch force. Actually there are 3 things: the punch diameter, die diameter and punch force. This you need to tell. So the answer will be what? First of all, punch size is 25. Die size will be what? What you are getting as diameter clearance? What you are getting as diameter clearance? Always look at it. 25 mm hole is pierced. Whatever is given is the size of hole. The size of hole is the punch size. Punch size is given to us. Die size will be coming more than punch size as we are adding the clearance. Okay. So when we are talking about the options, die size is going to be more. What you are getting the value of force? Can you tell me the value of force? Value of force will be coming out to be 68.75. The answer for this is D. Die size, punch size, force. Okay, die diameter, punch size. Okay, here punch diameter will come. And punch force. So answer is 25.3, 25 and 68.75. Okay, the answer will be D for this. Shubham, that is going to be in that same value in MPa only. 350 will be the same only. Like you will be having 0.00641. Thickness you will be putting as 2.5. Tau ultimate is going to be 350. Answer will be coming out to be in mm. Okay. Very good. Is it clear, guys? Here are you getting 68.75? Please tell me that. Answer could be either A or D, but the value should be 68.75 because 25 is the punch size. Whole size will be more than that. So 25, 25.3 this, or 25.3, 25, 68.75. Out of these two, one answer can be correct because 24.7 is not an option because they have given you the whole size. Clear? Yes, Rohan, it is punching operation. Operation can be any. You need to see what is given. It is given as whole size. Okay, operation can be anything, but they are giving you whole size now. So that the point is that. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Because in both blanking and punching, we are worried about size. We have nothing to do with other things. The given size should be for what? That is known to us. Okay. Yes, Rohan, if it is related to this, you can ask here. If you have different, then you can ask on WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay. Is it clear, guys, for this one? 68.75, you are getting, the answer will be D for this in that case. Moving further. Question number 23. A shell of 100 mm diameter, 100 mm height with corner radius 0.4 mm is to be produced by cup drawing the required blank diameter. You know, as this is going to be d square plus 4dh. As options are far away, without considering the corner radius, we can answer very easily. Rohan, punch size is equals to whole size. Always remember, punch size is equals to whole size. Die size is equals to blank size. You forgot the basics. Yes, I Rolex. When you will be solving this 100 ka square plus 4 into 100 into 100. Very good. So you understood? Please tell me. Yes, 223.6 you will be getting. Understood, Rohan? Please tell me. Yes, Rohan, you understood? Please tell me. Okay, guys. Moving to the next question. Clear na? Shubham, Ajay, Rohan, Sundaram. Everybody is clear? Is there any doubt? Shall we move to the next question? Okay, guys. Moving to the question number 24. This is a graph given. During machining, the wear land has been plotted against machining time as given the following. For a critical wear land of 1.8 mm, find out the cutting tool. So they are asking you that for 1.8 mm, what will be the time? Just use the similar triangle. One triangle is black one, other triangle is red one. For both triangle, one angle is common, other is 90, third will be equal. So if this is A, B, C, D, E, you just need to do DE upon AE, CB upon BA. Do this and get the answer. Very simple, similar triangle. This is from metal cutting. This type of question don't require your knowledge of metal cutting. They are simply from graph. Everybody. So guys, do like and share the session. Saturday, Sunday, be ready for the mini mock test where we are going to cover all the subjects. 40 questions will be there. Number of questions may change, but theme will be the same. Yes, everybody. Ajay is saying the answer to be B. B is correct. You would be getting it to be 51.67 minutes. Very good. So DE is known to us 1.8 minus 0.8. AE we need to calculate. Then CB is 2 minus 0.8. 60 minus 10. You will get the value of AE. Okay, but the answer will not be AE. Answer is 10 plus AE. Answer will be B. Moving to question number 25, guys. A tool with side cutting edge angle 30 degree, end cutting edge angle 10 degree is used for fine turning operation. You know that H max is F upon. Apply this and get the answer. Very good, Rohan, Ajay, Sundaram. After this we have two more questions. One from Taylor tool life equation. Two more questions after this. About to complete the session. You can see in 1 hour we are capable of solving approximately 25 questions. If you see, I have taken a session on the other reputed institutes other than IIT and IITs. That video is available in the video section. You can watch that also. Everybody. Point 16. Correct. In a tool life experiment, the cutting speed is doubled. The tool life is reduced to 1/4 of the original value. What is the index value? Okay, V1 T1N, V2 T2N. You need to find out the value of N. Find out the value of N. Second last question, guys. One more question after this. For hint, I am saying V1 by V2, T2 by T1. Take the log ln V1 by V2 n ln T2 by T1. They are saying that cutting speed is doubled. V2 is 2V1. T2 is T1 by 4. Just put these two values. You will get the answer. Very good, Ajay. The answer for this will be B. Everybody got it? Please tell me that. Wonderful, guys. Last question. You know that H maximum is F square upon 8R. They are saying in the selection of optional cutting condition, the requirement of the surface finish would put a limit on which of the following? Feed, depth of cut, speed, number of passes. Last question. Obviously it's feed. There is no formula of Hmax where depth of cut is coming or number of passes is coming. So answer will be feed for this. With this, the session is over for today. So guys, once again I am reminding you, Saturday, Sunday, 11:30 AM, mini mock test. 14th March, full length test. Very good, Sundaram. So don't forget to join us Saturday, Sunday, 11:30. 14th March, 11:30, same time. This is full length test, 100 question. This is mini mock test where we will be having 40 questions. So goodbye guys for this particular session. We will meet again on Saturday. Goodbye.